Hello guys, how are you all doing? I hope everyone is fine and I hope everyone is doing well. Welcome back to this channel. It's your guy here for the Forex Miracle Robots. Behind the charts cracked file unlimited version NASDAQ Ghost Robot Platinum 1 and Platinum 2. Powerful indicators that we use, very powerful systems, As you can see, this is the NASDAQ Platinum version 2. We're using it currently these days. So powerful. And also behind the charts robot here, this is behind the charts robot, as you can see, behind the charts robot. Okay, so I just want to tell you that this robot is still powerful and it's making money using the same secrets and the same setups. You see, yeah, the same secrets and the same setups, making money always in profit. As you can see, it was all placed by expert. Yes, placed by expert. You all know it means robot automatically. So yes, we are winning, we are happy. Good profits, yes, good profits from NASDAQ. This is from NASDAQ goes 1. Yes, NASDAQ goes 2, sorry. NASDAQ goes 2. Amazing profits. US 30 Pro. Amazing profits. Yeah, this is the NZD is from behind the charts robot. Yeah. So US 30 Pro is from NASDAQ 2 and NZD is from behind the charts robot. I'm so impressed and I'm so proud. I'm so happy about this robot. Students are happy and everything. So guys, now what I want to talk about is that I want to talk about a very powerful new systems here. As you can see, we have very powerful system that will tell you which session is going on. It will draw a box for you, you see, and give you signals. You see, sell signals, you sell, buy signals, you buy, sell, you sell, you see here, the market is, retesting, you see, it never gave you even a signal. Once it give you a signal, you see, buy. This is right now as I'm talking with you. This is right now as I am talking with you, right now. I even took a buy, you see. The system gave me a buy. You see, I even took a buy. Amazing profits, as you can see. Gold, ZAW USD. Yeah, so guys, we have powerful systems, very powerful systems. As you can see, very powerful systems. We are making money. We are milking. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. Share the video, like and subscribe. And also, if you are interested, text me and send me an email or join my open Telegram group, and where you can text me directly. Yeah, so guys, we are winning 2023. We have powerful tools. As you can see, another one here. Another one, you see the buy signals. This is gold, ZAW USD. You see, buy signal. What happened? Up. You see, sell signal, sell. You see, all of them. So guys, welcome to the winning team. You see, welcome to the winning team. Proper confirmations here for buy. You can see them, all of them here. Sell, buy. Even the system is telling you buy. You see, even the system. So guys, I want to make it clear. I want to make it very clear. Let me just go to the open group. Sorry. Yes, sorry guys. Okay, as you can see here, these are my students. They are all happy. You see, students, look at what my students are saying. Amazing, sir. You see, these are my students. All of them are happy. We are winning. We are happy. Using powerful systems. Yes, magic system is out now. Okay, so guys, I just want to talk about this here. This is the information 2023. This price is not changing. Yes, if you want robots and indicators and 3 months in the VIP signal group, 150. If you want to be only in part of indicator group, just now I showed you powerful indicators. If you want to join that group, price is 50 euros. VIP signal 3 months 150, 1 year 300. This is the VIP signal group. As you can see, I always send powerful signal. You see, here I said ZAW USD bullish. Look at the time where I send the signal with. You see, 328, and look at the time here, 334. You see, so you know that this is not a joke. ZAW USD gold kill, because the system will tell us to buy and we will buy. This is the VIP signal group. Yes, 150 for 3 months and 300 for 1 year. Yes, if you can also join indicator group. This is the indicator group. Let me show you it. Where is it? Where is the indicator group? Okay, up here you can see 2023 indicator group. This group is just for indicators, for lifetime indicators. As you can see, lifetime indicators. All instructions have been made. I provide top customer support. That's why I always tell people I don't sell indicators. I charge people because of top customer support and to be part of my group. That's why I charge people. You understand? And guess what, guys? Guess what? After releasing two powerful systems in the indicator group, students decided to donate. Just look. These are the instructions. Very powerful instructions. 9 minutes. You can see it. After I'm making all these things, the students, they appreciated my hard work. They appreciated my hard work and decided to donate on my PayPal or my Skrill for the hard work I'm helping them. So guys, I'm a real mentor. I'm not fake. I'm not someone who takes money from people and not will ignore them or do some bad things to them, like other people coming to YouTube and shouting, I have a robot, blah blah blah. After you buy, they will not send you the robot. They will ignore you. They can even block you. They can even block you. So yes, that's it guys. That's it. Thank you very much, and please like, share and subscribe. Welcome to the winning team. Welcome to the winning team. This is all the information. Yeah, may God bless everyone. Have a nice morning, nice evening, nice afternoon, wherever you are, and may God bless everyone. Thank you very much, guys. I'm out. Keep on liking, sharing and subscribing. I'm out, guys. Join the winning team now, 2023, and you will be successful. Thank you very much, guys.